Hello friends, Adam here again with Vital Garden Supply. Today we're going to be talking to you about one of our favorite products, especially for the veg period. This is an amazing product called Vital Fish Powder. And what this is a fish hydrolysate that has been dehydrated into a soluble powder. The nitrogen source on this, protein nitrogen source, is at a 15, 0 phosphorus and 0.5 in the potassium. This product is also very good for the root system. But today we are going to show you what we like to do with it, which is foliar feed. This is very absorbable by the plant, and we've nicknamed it even green paint. It's that good. So what I'm going to show you is how to spray the plant and fill your bottle up, basically. So I like to take my spray bottle. I always fill up my spray bottle to my desired level with water before I put my material in. This tends to help the mixing and things don't get stuck on the side. So I'm going to show you the product here. It's extremely stinky, as it should be for a good organic product. And it is extremely soluble, as you can see. A very, very fine powder makes a little cloud in the air there. It's so fine. So when working with this, you definitely want to have super dry hands, probably wear some gloves. So what you do is, this is a measurement rate of 1 to 2 tablespoons per gallon of water. So we have our quart bottle here. We're just going to do a teaspoon measurement on this. 5 mils. Put it in my bottle. And then I immediately close that bag because this stuff is super sticky and gets everywhere. With organic materials, you really do want to keep things agitated. So as I'm spraying my plant, I will continually agitate the bottle. Another nice little secret we like to share with people is the full cocktail that we like to do here at Vital. So we love our fish powder, and then we also like to encourage people to use cow mag in the mix as well, and our Vital Kelp. And this will provide an overall amazing strength for the plant. This even helps the plant be protected from bugs and molds and things. It really increases the immunity of the plant and will help it green up extremely quick. So once you get your mix in, whether you do the triple thread here or you just go with your fish powder, you want to keep your bottle agitated and just get a nice overall spray on your plant. When you're spraying fertilizers, it's not 100% necessary to get underneath on the bottom of the foliage, but the plants do absorb quite well through that. So I always try to do that anyways. But when you're spraying like a protective material, like our Chester Boone's all-purpose insecticidal soap, you definitely want to get the entire plant, stalks, and the bottoms of the leaves. With the fertilizer here, we just get a nice spray, get a nice soak down on the plant. And I will say, you see me spraying this in the sunlight right now. Not the best, but right now, that's what we're doing. But we try not to have people spray in direct sun. It is quite early in the morning, so we're okay. Continually agitate, keep that material mixed. You just want to get a full coverage on your plant so the plant can absorb the food. All right, my friends, there we go. Now you'll be able to foliar feed your plant with Vital Fish Powder, the stinkiest and best stuff in the business. Thank you very much. This is Vital Garden Supply. Check us out at vitalgardensupply.com.